Tired of squinting at tiny screens? Unleash the power of the big screen anywhere with the KODAK Luma 150 pocket projector. Imagine movie nights under the stars, impromptu presentations on the go, or sharing vacation photos blown up to life size, all from a device that fits in your pocket. This isn't just a projector, it's a portal to a world of immersive entertainment and seamless sharing. Whether you're a film buff, a business traveler, or a parent looking for a fun way to entertain the kids, the Luma 150's vibrant display, wireless connectivity, and built-in speaker will transform any space into your personal cinema. Ready to ditch the small screen and embrace the big picture? Read on to discover how the KODAK Luma 150 can revolutionize your viewing experience. KODAK Luma 150 Ultra Mini Pocket Pico Projector, brand name. KODAK, recommended uses for product. Home cinema, special feature. Portable, connectivity technology. USB, display resolution. 1920 by 1080 pixel, product dimensions. 3.9 x 3.9 x 0.89 inches, item weight. 1 pound, item model number. RODPJS 150. Batteries. 1 lithium-ion batteries required, included. Manufacturer. KODAK. About this item. From smartphone to the big screen, Pocket Projector produces bright, vivid video and imaging, up to 150 inches for amazing home entertainment. Watch movies plugging in an external device, view pictures, or give presentations anywhere a wall is available. Multiple methods for viewing. Versatile device comes with HDMI and micro USB cables for hookup to camera, storage drive, PC, laptop, and other compatible devices. Go wireless with mobile-to-projector mirroring via AirPlay and Miracast. Stunning 16:9 projection. Device boasts 60 ANSI lumen brightness LED lamp, 854 by 480 resolution. Supports 4K resolution and 1000:1 contrast ratio for crystal clear widescreen imaging. Watch HD video, play 4K games, and share family photographs with brilliant color and clarity. Designed for easy portability. Includes built-in speaker and sleek illuminated onboard controls so you can watch and listen on demand. Powers via rechargeable battery up to 2.5 Hrs. The ultimate multimedia companion. Tiny projector makes a wonderful gift idea note. Copyrighted content from Hulu, Netflix, and similar services cannot be mirrored or screencast. Mirroring and screencast can be used to display non-copyrighted content downloaded on an external device, or such copyrighted content can be viewed by plugging in an external streaming device, such as a Fire Stick or Roku. Product description. Meet the ultimate in multimedia magic. Thanks to the smartphone, you always have incredible imaging at your fingertips. But what happens when you want to share with friends and family? The innovators at KODAK help you look at the big picture with the Luma 150 portable projector. This revolutionary device delivers audiovisual excellence with its super bright LED lamp, 16.7 million display colors. Whether you're watching home movies, the latest blockbuster film, funny YouTube videos, or your favorite streaming service, the built-in speaker offers powerful portability. Use the micro SD card slot, USB cable, HDMI cable, or integrated AirPlay and Miracast screencasting for downloaded content to connect to a variety of external devices. From the family room to the backyard to the boardroom, it's a full-size theater that fits in your pocket. So say goodbye to the cramped gather round and wow a crowd by adding the KODAK Luma 150 to your cart today. What you get: 1x Luma 150 portable projector, 1x full-size HDMI cable, 1x USB to micro USB cable, Quickstart guide, specs and details, technology. DLP 0.3 inches EMDMD brightness, 60 ANSI lumen resolution, 854 by 480 108 OP LED life, 3000 hours contrast ratio, 1000:1 display colors, 16.7 million offset, 100% throw ratio, 16:9 focus, manual screen size, 150 inches OS, Linux speaker, 1.5 W battery life, 2.5 hours dimensions, 3.9 x 3.9 x 0.89 weight, 7.75 ounces. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the product review channel for more videos.